Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this makeup look. I wanted something easy, like something you can do like in 1, 2, 3, not too many things that will go into creating this look, and a little sophisticated. Maybe the wing made it a little, sophisticated. When you see, you like, damn, that is hard to make, but really it's really not that hard. It's just the wing that kind of makes it dramatic and a little bit like, ooh, that is hard. But no, it's not. It's a really nice, easy, simple look that you can create. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching, and you know the deal. Like, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, share. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much. Yeah, dab on that. Let's get into the video. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned. This palette is so beautiful. Like, I love this palette. The colors are so pigmented. Like, this is so gorgeous. I want to do something really, really, really easy and simple, but at the same time sophisticated. First color I'm gonna use is this beautiful orange color, and it's called Blazing, and indeed it is blazing. Like, look, I only dabbed a little bit. Just look, see the magic. See the magic. Look at that. Look at how pigmented, like, bruh. And for my second transition color, and I'm gonna use two. I'm gonna go ahead and use this purple color right here. Also super pigmented. It does have fallout just a little bit, but it's still worth it. I'm gonna put this right on the crease, and I'm also gonna blend in circular motion. So you wanna start from here and blend all the way in. You just keep doing that in circular motion. Kind of looks like you doing a halo look, but not really. And now I'm gonna go in with my first transition color. I'm gonna use that to blend out. I'm just gonna pat this all over my lid space, just in the inner lid space. A little bit of mixing, a little bit of this and this. Going back to blend my inner crease out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a wing, a very thick wing. Why didn't I use this in the first place? So I'm just going and cleaning this line up to make it all smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this white liner. And I'm also gonna apply this black pencil. I'm gonna take that purple color, apply it under my eyes. So I went ahead and added these lashes from eBay. They are red cherry eyelashes, 100% human hair. These are the bomb because it's easily, like you can easily apply them to your eyes, no problem, and they're round. They are so gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm using Tahiti. Look at my whole face. So I made a mistake of not having a lipstick or whatever in my vicinity. So now I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna use my eyeshadow as my lipstick, and I'm actually gonna be applying gloss today. I'm pretty much going in with this and that. Light lip gloss. Actually, it's like